This 2016 Jayco White Hawk 24 RDB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 26 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV antenna, spare tire kit, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, TV, external shower, slide-out, awning, water heater, refrigerator, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Jayco White Hawk 24 RDB is 5,295 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.